Hi, my name is Rachel and I am back in my hometown, Franklin, Tennessee in the United States for the 12th and final day of my Christmas market series. So we are in the United States, so we do not have Christmas markets in the same way that they do in Europe, of course. But Franklin does have an event that they do every December called Dickens of a Christmas. I was not here yet, so I had my parents, there's my mom. So I had them film a little bit for me, so we'll look at that first, and then we'll just wander around downtown to see the Christmas decorations.
Is it on?
It's on.
And we are. Why are you laughing at me? Why you messed up the whole thing?
Dickens of a Christmas is an event that they do downtown Franklin one weekend out of December. This year it was the 13th and 14th. They hire performers, but you're also welcome to dress up if you want to.
Circle left halfway. Arms and gypsies. Ladies to the middle. Gents around. Ladies out. Gent one. Gent two. Gent three. Gent four. House right. Lady star left halfway. House right. Gent star. House right. Lady star. Lean away. Green square, there.
Just want to say thank you one more time to my parents for filming this, and I'm glad that my dad got so much joy out of zooming in and out on the snow for 30 seconds.
I'll have a blue Christmas without you.
So when I'm working at Tuesday at 1,
Where you like it?
you're welcome.
Get a picture of the tree. Now we are back to Franklin on a normal December weekend. It's not nearly as big as the European cities that I've gone around. It's basically one street. It starts here in this intersection called 5 Points, and then down the street to the big Christmas tree. We stopped for a little coffee. My mom is a kindergarten teacher. She gets a lot of Starbucks gift cards. What does Tennessee smell like?
It smells like candy, like Smarties. Is that what they're called? What are they called?
Smarties?
No, it smells like Pez.
Oh, the sweet smell of Tennessee.
It smells like Pez. Smell it.
Oh, like
It literally
exactly
smells
like Pez. Weird. I love to smell like hydrogen. This is Gray's, a really famous spot downtown. It used to be a pharmacy, it's now a restaurant. We finished up walking around downtown and now we are headed to the Williamson County Ag Center to do their drive-through light show. We're at the light drive-through. It's not free. It is $35 cash or what was it? Oh, there's like a $1.50 fee if you pay with a credit card. But it's per car, it's not per person.
Franktown Festival Lights. It's like paying to be in a traffic jam.
There's also the radio that you tune into and the music syncs up with the lights. All the proceeds from the tickets go to that. It's a youth center, basically. So this is all a fundraiser.
Second Through 9 Morning Show with Sean and Hannah.
Don't forget to park your car at the end of the route to enjoy some s'mores by the fire pits, the food trucks. Also take some selfies with our giant lighted Christmas tree.
We finished up the light show and we are now at the factory, which is, there it is, a converted factory that is basically a mall now. There's a bunch of shops and restaurants and stuff like that, bars on the inside.
Cars in the parking lot.
Unfortunately, everything is closed, but the decorations are still pretty.
New Year's Eve.
All right, well, if you come to the factory, come before, what time is it? It's like 7 p.m. But that's closed. So before 7 p.m. We're back home. Because this was not like the normal European Christmas markets, because we don't have one, I didn't get to try, like the traditional foods of the area, but we do have possibly what Tennessee is most famous for, Jack Daniels. So we'll have a little drink. All right, cheers. Whiskey Coke. Coke and what you call it? Jack and Coke. Jack and Coke. Come here, Yogi. Help me with the outro. Oh goodness. There you go. Good enough. All right, that is that for Franklin Christmas Market. It's the last one. Thank you for keeping up with them. If you have been, if not, go watch them. Merry Christmas, and I will be back in 2026. Bye.